everyone, it's Samantha and thanks for checking in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go through how I close up my salon and the closing duties that we do here at Veil of Grace. So first things first, whoever is last here in the salon, whether it be myself, my assistant, the salon manager, or any other stylist here, everyone is all on the same page and everyone is well aware of the closing duties and how to close up shop. I just want to make sure that everyone does the same thing so everything is consistent, and that way whoever comes back into the salon next morning, everything is good to go and clean. So I'll walk you through what we do here at Veil of Grace. So first things first, obviously it's sweeping up at the end of the day. We usually like clients or stylists to sweep up after each client, but sometimes you're in a rush and it gets chaotic. So when you are done for the day, we usually require that you sweep up around your station, you wipe down your chair, clean your mirror, because I know a lot of times we get talking and we're chatting and we're leaning and we're touching, or if there's kids, it gets messy and there's fingerprints. So I like everyone to wipe down their mirror at the end of the day. Turn off the lights. So we turn off the lights, turn off the fan and the exhaust for the salon. Come this way. When closing the salon, I would say the biggest thing for us is preparing for towels and getting the shampoo area taken apart and prepped and ready for the next day. And this is what I mean. So when coming to close down the salon, we want to make sure our shampoo area is clean. For the shampoo bowls at the end of the day, I will take off the neck rest. We want to make sure everything is nice and clean. And then if it's a weekday that we're here, I will unscrew the cap for our shampoo nozzle, and I will take this off and I will just leave this on and leave it down so that way the water doesn't stay in here, because when you're done washing a client and you turn the water off, the water will still sit in these nozzles. We use the Eco Head, which I love. It has a whole filtration system in it, which is great for help to purify the water. But at the end of the day, the water gets stuck in the nozzle, and that could cause hard water buildup and discoloration in your nozzle. So if it's during a weekday, I usually have the stylist just take the nozzle off, and then we dump the water out. And you want to make sure not to lose the rubber sponge or the metal cap part. So I usually will just make sure that that is off. I usually will get a towel and lay it down so it can dry overnight. And then this will stay open, so this also air dries. However, if it's on a Saturday and our salon is closed on Sundays, whoever's here on Saturday, we actually remove the entire head from here and the filter. If I can get this sucker off. Oh my goodness, it's very strong. But we take the entire head. No? Okay, I guess it doesn't want to come off. But you can take this entire thing and the nozzle head, and we soak it in white vinegar, everything over the weekend. So that's all Sunday, and whoever's back on Monday will put this all back together. And like I said earlier, the white vinegar will help with any discoloration and hard water buildup through everything, through the entire filter and the nozzle head. So I'll show you that in 1 second. But also with closing, whoever is here last, here's where we keep all of our bin for our dirty towels. So whoever's here last, I don't like towels that are wet and smelly and gross to stay in the bin. I want them all taken to the washing machine and dumped at the end of the day. So whoever's here takes this, and then we have one on this side as well, so they get any extra wet towels, and then we'll take them all the way over here. So you just come follow me, and I'll take my nozzle head and we'll come into the break room. And all wet towels will be stored here. And if someone's working late, I usually do not have them start the washing machine because no one will be here to transfer the wet towels to the dryer. And if they're stuck in there wet overnight, it could get smelly and weird. So I usually will just leave this open, and whoever's here the next morning will start it. And then as for the nozzle, this is what I keep here in the break room for the girls to use. So we even labeled it soaking tub for nozzle heads. So all of these will go in here with the white vinegar. We just bought this at like Smart & Final, Costco, anything that gets it in bulk. And this will marinate for a full 24 hours. So we have that. Another thing for closing duties, I like to make sure everything is wiped down and cleaned. I don't like anything left in the sink space, but yeah, making sure everything is cleaned and ready to go for the next person who's coming into the salon. And then also, we even tape up salon closing duties. If we have any stylist that is new in the salon or is not aware of the closing duties or just forgot, we do list everything from the break room with wiping down the sink, cleaning out the hair out of the back drain here, or even the back drain of the shampoo bowls, wiping down countertops, items being placed away from the drying rack, taking out the trash. If it's not too late, I will have the stylist take out the trash, but if they're here very late, I just have them remove the dirty trash, tie it up, get a clean bag in there for the next day, and then whoever shows up in the morning can take the trash out. Personal station, like I said before, sweep hair, clean mirror, wipe down chair. Shampoo bowl area, we remove neck rest and bleach down the bowls. If they're really disgusting and stained, definitely that is a yes. Remove any hair in the trap. Place all dirty towels in washing machine with the lid open, which I explained. Wipe down back bar area, bottles included, if anything looks messy, wet, or has color stains on it. Power, so we want to turn off all the lights and the exhaust fan. And then locking up the salon. So we want to make sure we lock up the salon properly. We have two deadbolt systems. We want to make sure both of our locks are done, and then everything is good to go. And that's how we close up my salon, Veil of Grace. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'd be more than happy to answer them. But thanks for checking in for how we close up here at Veil of Grace, and I look forward to seeing you back on my YouTube channel soon. Bye, guys.